Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. It's David Music Discovery, and on this one I wanted to show you a feature in Cubase that allows you to fit any audio file to your project tempo with just one click, and there is no need for you to re-stretch it anytime you change the tempo of the project, because it automatically fits to the tempo afterwards. So stay tuned, have some coffee, and I will be right back. So here we are in the Cubase, but if you know you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do, and then hit the notification bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So here I have a drum played. Okay, I have this drum that I played for the sake of this tutorial, and also a new soul, but I exported a new soul so I can have a WAV file to demonstrate that. So let me just play it and then we listen. Yeah, so that is exactly what it is. So here, if you will notice that if I stretch the tempo or if I change the tempo of the song, the loop will delay, either will delay or will be faster than. Okay, so let me just try changing the tempo to 180. Okay. So that's what happens. So this, to fix this, formally we select the audio track, and then we go this way, process, then time stretch, a very long way to go, which maybe will not even end up perfect like how I am coming to do now. So you have to just select the audio file. With this feature, you just have to select the audio file, and then you click on musical mode. Okay, so when you click on musical mode, you have these two signs on the WAV file, meaning it is activated. The musical mode is activated. So from there you can just start playing, and then whenever you change the tempo, it follows the tempo. The WAV file will just follow the tempo. It's now fits to tempo. Okay, so let's listen, and then I will be changing the tempo of the song. So that is all for this tutorial. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do, and then hit the notification bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Stay blessed. Bye.